Welcome back, Office Executives. Here I'm back again with the example of use case of ChatGPT with in Excel. This is a problem set 1. So I am having some names, and there are the name of the months in the preceding columns, and there are some sales figure. Now for a given name, I mean the user will be giving a name, and also the user will be giving the name of the month. I want to pull out the sales data, and I don't know how to use Excel, or which formula to use with Excel. So here is my prompt that write an Excel formula to find the sales data of month provided by the user for name provided by the user from a table where the columns are name and name of the month in preceding columns. So how to use this particular how to use this, I mean what formula to use. So I'll be pressing Ctrl C from my keyboard, and I'll be going to ChatGPT and Control V. Let me paste it and see what ChatGPT has got me, what it explains. So assume your table looks like this: A name, January, February, D. It's going on. So names are in A2 to A100. So here in my table I have my names from A2 to A12 anyways. So the user will be giving a name in P2 and month in Q2. So far so good. And what are the other? So B2 to M100 returns the intersecting sales value, and P2 finds the row for the selected name. So here it is showing P2, in P2 I'll be giving in name, and in month I'll be giving in Q2. Fine. So maybe I'll be giving in here name, and below it I'll be giving the name of the month. So, and here will be the sales data will be pulled out. So let me just arrange the window, and let's copy the code and paste it in here, and just follow whatever ChatGPT has suggested me. So here the sales data will be shown. Okay, so here P2 will be the name of the employee. So here I am providing the name in here, and my names are within not A2 to A100. I don't have 100 records. I have A2 to A12. I have only 12 records. And Q2 will be the name of the month. So let me select here I will be providing the name of the month Q2, and B1 to M1. So here it is giving a explanation. Month are the headers in B1 to M1. So my headings are from B1 to December is within M. Okay, so okay, the formula just went off. So let me again write it down. Okay, so match this won't be P2, this will be the name. So here is the name, and it will be from A2 to A12, and this will be Q2. Instead of Q2 I'll be providing this particular cell value, and it is from B1 to M1, and B1 to, and sales data is in B2 to M100. So my sales data is within B2 to M, not 100. I have only 12 records, so let me write it here 12, and let's hit enter. Now let's see whether I'm getting any result or not. So for name, Shankar Jaiswal, Control C, and let me paste it in here, Control V, and month maybe September, enter 25. Shankar Jaiswal, September 25. Yeah, it's showing perfectly fine. So let's give some other month value, maybe APR, April is 13. Shankar Jaiswal, April 13. Fine. So let me check with another name, Shukdev Bauri. So let me paste in here, Control V, and let's hit enter. So Shukdev Bauri, April 21. Shukdev Bauri, April 21. So this is one example. So here I have used ChatGPT. I have taken the help of ChatGPT. Just I have written in plain English what I want to fetch from Excel, that write an Excel formula to find the sales data of month provided by the user for name provided by the user from a table. So the month name and the name of the salesperson will be provided by the user, and in the table the columns are name and name of the months in preceding column. So ChatGPT has generated a formula along with explanation. So this is my example 1. Let's move on with some other examples, that how you can use Excel with just plain English, providing some plain English to Excel, feeding into ChatGPT and pulling out the formula if you are not familiar with Excel. So let's move into second